In this video, I will show you how to check your phone's battery charging speed. To do this, you'll need to download and install another app. Head over to Play Store, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for an application called Ampere Flow. This is the application you want to install. Tap on the install option, wait for it to be installed on your device, then tap on the open option. Now wait for some time. Here tap on get started. Then tap on continue. Now on the main screen, you'll see useful battery information such as voltage, current, wattage, battery temperature, battery health, and more. Scroll down if you need to view additional charging details, including the estimated charging time. To check your charging speed, go to the charging speed section. This will show you the current charging power your phone is receiving. In general, a higher wattage means your device is charging faster. Keep in mind that charging speed may vary depending on your charger, cable, battery level, and your phone's charging limits. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.